Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add admin on Facebook page. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and tap on this menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Now switch to the page you prefer, and inside its menu, go to Professional Dashboard tile and scroll down to the Tools section. Here, select Page Access under Tools and then tap on Add New. Now, select the preferred account, toggle this feature on and select Give Access. Now, it will ask you to enter your account password to confirm the action. That's how you can add admin on Facebook page. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.